Telematics is a branch of technology that combines telecommunications and informatics. In simple terms, it involves the use of devices to collect and transmit data from units to a centralized system. Since telematics is primarily applied in the automotive industry, this data usually includes GPS location, speed, fuel consumption, as well as engine diagnostics and driving behavior. For fleet businesses, telematics means enhanced operational efficiency, easier fleet maintenance, reduced costs, and improved customer service thanks to accurate information acquired by telematic devices. For drivers, it means a safer, hassle-free driving experience with real-time support. There are even environmental benefits as telematics helps in reducing emissions by optimizing routes and driving behaviors. Want to learn how telematics can be a game-changer for you or your business? Check out our YouTube channel for more fleet management content, visit mapon.com for the full range of solutions, or schedule a meeting with one of our specialists.